Welcome to Key Safety's premier training facility in Calgary, Alberta. Equipped with the latest safety equipment and training aids, our Calgary Training Center offers comprehensive training programs tailored to meet industry standards. Our expert instructors provide hands-on training in realistic environments, ensuring you're prepared for any situation.
We offer a variety of different amounts of courses, anything from working at heights, fall protection, all the way through to the more complicated industrial rope access, whether that be a rata or sprat. And in between, we deliver rescue courses, PPE inspection courses, and the Global Wind Organisation for the wind turbines.
At Key Safety, we pride ourselves on our personalized approach. Our trainers are experts who are passionate about safety and dedicated to helping you succeed.
We also deliver our product training to be able to install, test and recertify those systems, and once you've undertaken those systems you will then become an installer partner of Key Safety. So what Key Safety are looking to do is having that one complete stop shop. Although we're keeping the course generalised, we'll tailor it to suit their needs and the environment that they work in.
Join the many professionals who have gained invaluable skills and knowledge at our training center. Learn more and enroll today at keysafety.ca.